Manufacturing, the art of turning raw materials into the marvels of modern life, powers our planet's advancements and improves everyday convenience. Computer Integrated Manufacturing, or CIM, has allowed manufacturing enterprises to provide finished products of all types for consumers around the world. Your phone? That's been manufactured by CIM. The outfit you're wearing? It was produced in a CIM system. The car that you're sitting in, the bread in your sandwich? You guessed it, fabricated by CIM. In this course, you'll be focusing on a manufacturing system known as a CIM cell. The cell has these core components: an automated storage and retrieval system, an industrial robotic arm, a conveyor system, and a CNC milling machine. Devices on a production floor can be complex, diverse, and numerous, and so they need a special type of software that can manage them and ensure their harmonious integration. This is Manufacturing Execution System Software, or MES. A typical MES can regulate inventory, manage work orders and schedules, allocate resources, alert operators of critical events, and most importantly, track and optimize production. The manufacturing execution system that you will be using is Intelitek's OpenMES, which not only provides all of these functions, but also features a 3D simulation of the CIM cell. The simulation serves as your production testing ground before deployment, and evolves into a digital twin once your manufacturing system is up and running. Master the skills of CIM and explore the future of industry in Intelitek's Computer Integrated Manufacturing with OpenMES. Enjoy the course.